Hey guys, let's prep with me for Thanksgiving tomorrow. So I'm not doing a turkey this year. For the past couple of years, I've been just doing Cornish hens or whole chicken. This year I grabbed 3 Cornish hens. So I'm just cleaning up my chicken, taking off the excess fat, removing all the hairs, because I'm telling you, these chickens, when you get them, Cornish hen, whatever you want to call these, the amount of hair I gotta take off of them, it's ridiculous. Anyways, I'm just cleaning out my sink with bleach, hot water, soap it down, scrub. Alright, let's get to seasoning. So I'm using 3 packs of sazon. Before y'all jump and be like, oh, it's a lot of seasoning, this is 3 Cornish hens that we're seasoning. So 3 tablespoons garlic powder, 3 tablespoons adobo all-purpose, 3 tablespoons paprika. I added around 2 tablespoons of chicken seasoning. Mixed all that goodness up. Make sure that your chicken is pat dry before seasoning. And, I just add my seasoning, rub. Guys, I'm extremely tired. For this year Thanksgiving, I'm just taking it easy. Normally, I would have like 5 different meats, and it's just for 2 of us. So I'm just taking it easy this year. There's no reason to be spending a whole bunch of money. Everything is already so expensive. So basically I'm just cooking whatever I have at home because it's just a regular day. So I just seasoned up some chicken. I'm gonna do some fried chicken too, and I'm just soaking my peas, red beans, whatever you want to call these, with some garlic. And baby, I'm gonna go get some rest. I'll see y'all tomorrow. I can't wait to see all the good food.